Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix not recognized as internal or external command operable program or batch file. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you guys are getting this message here, I've got a quick fix. So what we need to do is open up our file explorer, and then we need to go into our C drive, and then from here we need to click onto Windows. And then once we're inside Windows, we need to click on System 32. So go ahead and find that. Here it is here, System 32. And now we want to copy the location. So C drive, Windows. First click into Windows, System 32, and now copy that. Now from here, escape. And then we need to do a search on our computer for advanced system settings. So go ahead and type in advanced system settings, and then click onto it. And now once we're here, we'll see system properties. So at the bottom of this, there will be environmental variables. We need to click onto that. Then from here, it says system variables. Go ahead and click onto new. And then you want to give the variable name. You want to write the name path. And then where it says variable value, go ahead and paste in that Windows System 32, and then click OK. Click OK again and OK, and that will fix your issues of not recognized as internal or external command operable program or batch file. So I'm going to go search, type in run. Now I'm going to open CMD, click OK. I hope this video helped you guys out, and I'll see you in the next one.